go for eat.
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to Tricking Tip Tuesday. That said, I'm doing this on a Wednesday because all of the technical issues, and we are trying to get a lot of stuff done on the business side. We got merch moving, we got a lot of sponsorships on the way. There is a lot happening in the realm of mastering tricking, but today, I need to give you guys the best tips I can so we can all learn together and, get better at tricking. The subreddit has grown a ton. We got all those people now. We got 172 members. That is huge. We just want to keep growing that number so that way the community can grow, so we can do more cool things. Anyway, let's get rolling. Yo, this is Dante. What's up, Dante? Oh, you're close, dude. You're so close. That looked amazing. Oh, your twisting position is good. Everything is so good about this clip. Dude, okay, real quick. There's one thing I gotta say. After you're done twisting, open up, dog. Open up. Once you're done doing whatever spins you're doing, you need to open up so that way you can land, not twisting into the floor. If you twist into the floor like a drill, it will hurt. It is not a fun thing to do. So right before you land doing something like a triple, something big like this, you definitely need to open up a little bit. First cheat 9. Much easier in combo than from standing. I agree completely. I 100% agree. Now to clean it up. So any tips are appreciated. I can most definitely give the tips. Oh, Tim, what's up? Welcome back. Scoot, cheat 9, hook, touchdown rise. Ooh, clean gainer flash. Very clean. Ooh, and a solid backflip. They always want to know if you can backflip, so it's good to just let them know early. I really liked your cheat 9. Same thing I said about the other triple full. After you do the kick, when the kick is coming out of the cheat 9, it helps so much to open up your arms. If you open up your arms as the kick comes out, that will slow down your body. Like right about there, you want to open up a little bit. That little bit of opening will help so much in getting a more pronounced kick and also getting more control and flow in the combo. But this looks amazing, and I do agree that doing it from standing is really hard, but Scoot is such a comfortable setup for cheat kicks. And it's mad ugly. I don't know, we'll see. But I can't seem to get the look of the cork. Any tips would be appreciated. All right, let's see. I don't think that's ugly. I think that's very uninverted though. That is the big thing. You're not getting nearly enough flip in this cork. You're ending right about there when it comes to your flip, and you definitely want to get way more overhead. How to achieve that, my guy, is to drill your cheat gainer. Focus on getting more of that flip. I know people like learning the cork before they learn the cheat gainer, but trust me, if you have a super solid cork, everything about the cheat gainer will be if you have a super solid cheat gainer, everything about the cork will be easier. And it totally forgot how to cork. Yes, I know I have a lot of work to regain it. Any specifics on what I can work on to get his cork back? Let me see. Literally the same thing I was telling about the last guy. Oh, by the way, you're at Brooklyn Zoo. If you guys don't recognize this gym because you're not a gym fiend like me, this is Brooklyn Zoo in New York. It is a really cool place to train. Right there, that was the end of your swing. You gotta get that leg way higher up. You want your swing leg to be at least waist height, if not higher, at the end of your swinging motion. Right here, you're swinging at about the level of your knee. That's not gonna give you the flip you need. But that said, your twisting was really tight. You had a really good twisting position once you got there. So your cork has all the right components. You just need to get way more power in the beginning and get that cheat gainer flip. Need help correcting my eagle position after touchdown rise? I can do that. All right, let's see. So you don't have a big issue with your eagle position. You just need to push off your arms way harder. That shoulder right there, your arm needs to be more extended, straighter, ready to push off that ground. So really have it not completely straight. You don't want it straight to the point where your elbow might go that way, but you do want it joint stacked. You want your elbow right over your shoulder, or you want your shoulder right over your elbow, which is right over your wrist. You want all of these things stacked up in a perfect line, so that way you can push through the shoulder to lift your chest up. You have a good eagle position. Your touchdown rise technique is fantastic. You're just not getting nearly enough power off the pushing arm. You need to block with it. You need to be ready to support your body weight. That is why I am a manic at training handstands, and I do handstands every day because it's so important to have strong arms to support your body for stuff like touchdown rise, cartwheel, gumby, all this stuff that we do. Oh, good setup, good technique. Oh, you just need to commit, dude. You just need to commit. Why did you stop? Everything was good. Right here. You're awesome, dude. This looks great. Maybe get your left arm up with your right arm so that way you can use both of them. But other than that, this looks like a good setup. Good kick. You could have jumped a little bit more off that base leg. When you start your Webster from standing, you really need to gas it up. Jump up hard as all hell, and you did not do that here, and that was one of the issues. If you just push more with your body, you'll get more height. That will give you more time to tuck and get over. Yeah, even with the little jump you did, you could have gotten back to your feet. You just need to commit to the skill. Reach your arms out in front of you instead of putting them behind you. Landing like this with your arms behind your body is one of the most dangerous things you can do for your arms. So stick them out, reach them forward as you land. That is way safer and way better for your body. Landing like that is how you get like those broken elbows that like skateboarders have and some trickers have. So you really should not be landing like that. Reach your arms out in front. It will help so much as well with counterbalancing your body as you land the skill, especially a forward flipping skill like the Webster, the front flip. This will help with all of that. Don't reach your arms behind you, stick them in front. It will help. 2 learns in 1 sesh. Let's go. I'm always hyped when people learn new things. First new, oh, double B twist is a hype new learn. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Ooh, and double cork. Did you learn double B twist and double cork in the same session? That is super sick. That is a very rare thing to learn double B twist and double cork in the same session. And that setup is also my first triple cork setup, so I love that. Need tips on double cork. Newly learned cheat 10. Let's go. Cheat 10 is hard. Hook, touchdown rise. Great swing on the double cork. Absolutely fun. Oh, what happened? Everything looked good. Wait, what? We can't skip over that. We got to go back. What happened? Everything looked great. Scoot, touchdown rise. Beautiful swing. Great twisting position. Lands. Just tuck your legs up a little bit. Oh, that cheat 10 slapped though. That cheat 10 slapped. I just cannot believe that happened with your double cork. Oh my God. So close.